This little bag is by the brand For the Ages, and it's a tiny little, I would say, pretty small purse that fits right under the armpit. It's so cute. Maybe one of my favorite bags ever. It's this really awesome like chartreuse green, and it has this like really pretty like kind of satiny texture to it. It kind of reminds me of like those 90s bags that you would get to match your dress for prom or something, but like a more modern, cool version of it. I feel like this is a very like cool girl purse. It has like a little magnetic clasp like this. Fits a decent amount of products. It's a smaller bag, so just the essentials, nothing major. I really like that it doesn't take up a lot of room, it doesn't get too heavy. You can just kind of throw it on your shoulder, and it looks so good with everything. How cute is this? Obsessed.
This cute little 70s inspired shoulder bag is by For the Ages. It's the Ineva Baguette in banana yellow and made from moire fabric. It's this bright little punch of a bag, and it pairs so well as a statement piece, or you can style it in a monochromatic look, and it surprisingly holds a lot. It holds hand sanitizer, it holds my wallet, it also holds a disposable camera, even a mask, and my phone. So it holds all the essentials in such a cute and stylish way. So I definitely recommend you checking this bag out.
This is the Ineva Baguette bag by For the Ages in the color Bone Python. This is 100% vegan leather. The shape of this bag is quite boxy, and though it looks small, you can pack quite a few objects inside. Given the opening of the bag, it's also quite easy to reach your hand inside and grab your items, which is super helpful. This bag's shape is inspired by the 70s, so it is perfect for elevating any outfits and giving them a vintage vibe. I love it paired down, worn like this, with a cardigan.
This little bag by For the Ages. I love this bag because it looks vintage with the ultra little thin strap, and it's long enough to do this and kind of wear it across your body like that. It's out of this like embossed leather. It almost looks like crocodile, but it's just leather that's embossed. And I love how it's dark brown. I wear a lot of dark brown. I would probably wear this with a dark brown look head to toe. I just recently wore this look for a shoot that I did. It was a vintage Saint Laurent leather black mini dress that fit me like a glove, and I wore it with brown tights and vintage brown Celine boots. I would definitely wear this bag with it, and like I said, I love that it looks vintage.
Thanks for watching our video. If you want to learn more about this item and try before you buy, head on over to FromTheLobby.com. You'll pay $0 at checkout and only be charged for what you keep after 14 days. While you're there, you can watch and shop hundreds of video reviews from all your favorite brands. More details and links in the description below.